Greetings, and a warm welcome to our presentation on Project XC3. In this session, we will be exploring the core concepts of XC3 in detail. In today's digital landscape, businesses must have a cloud-based infrastructure to manage their IT infrastructure and applications effectively. Public cloud infrastructure provides a scalable, secure, flexible, and cost-effective solution to meet these needs. However, as organizations scale their operations, cost optimization becomes a critical factor. That's where XC3 comes in, providing a comprehensive platform that enables businesses to seamlessly manage their cloud usage, optimize resource allocation, and reduce costs. We'll delve deeper into XC3's features and benefits in the rest of our presentation. Controlling costs in a cloud environment can be challenging due to several factors. Firstly, the complexity of cost attribution can make it difficult to determine who provisioned which resources, leading to a lack of visibility and making it challenging to manage and control costs effectively. Secondly, identifying the most expensive resources can be a challenge. Without insight into which resources are driving up costs, businesses may struggle to optimize usage and control costs efficiently. Finally, unused and underutilized resources can also be a significant drain on costs. Over the course of our presentation, we'll be examining how XC3 can aid businesses in achieving more efficient cost control. So, why choose XC3? XC3 is a cloud cost control solution powered by open-source tools such as Cloud Custodian, Prometheus, and Grafana, which helps businesses optimize their cloud resource usage and control costs more effectively. With centralized cost control, XC3 provides a single UI to track all cloud resource inventory, covering multi-cloud and hybrid cloud infrastructures. Proper cost allocation is critical to effective cost control, and XC3 helps businesses achieve this by ensuring tagging compliance with greater monitoring and alerting features. Now, let's go through the XC3's workflows. With comprehensive observability of cloud infrastructure cost, XC3 provides cost control through the identification and deprovisioning of non-essential resources. It helps businesses retrieve and present resource inventory, ensure proper cost allocation through tagging compliance, and also offers monitoring and alerting workflow with real-time updates of AWS account billing details through Slack notifications using dynamic policies. XC3 enables businesses to efficiently manage their cloud resources, achieve greater cost control accuracy, and gain increased visibility into their cloud infrastructure. With this, we have reached the end of our video. We hope that you found it informative and helpful in understanding the importance of XC3. Thank you.